Hi, my name is Ernesto and I'm a Forex Algo trader with years of live trading experience and positive results using Statistical Edge and EAs. I'm one of the best retail algo traders in the world with a solid tracking record you can verify, and today I want to share my knowledge and connect with more traders so we can grow together. Another Sunday, another market open, and we opened with a retracement. It's kind of big. We already have $26 retracement for the all-time high on Friday. That was around 23.30. Depends also in what broker you are trading, so try to double check always with your broker, not only trusting trading view prices. So the today video will be related to the investing model that I'm backtesting and developing. I'm already I'm close to what I want, and what I want will be, let me show you. I have here my investing model, the current or active one. This is how it looks, the strategy tester information processed in my FX book. This is a very good strategy a very good tool to analyze the backtesting data. So I'm gonna share you this link, and maybe I'm gonna do a video in the future. Let me know if you want to know how to do this. So pretty much, as you can see, I have 2004 to 2024, the full range, and then I divide by sectors. Have 2004 to 2010, 10 to 14, 14, 18, and 18, 24. So the full spectrum or the full range, as you can see, it's a very steady and upward trend with a very low drawdown, 57%. This is very important because in the backtesting, as you can see in the max drawdown, will show you it's less than the initial deposit. So it means that in this range, there is no overfitting or not a single period where the profits are saving the account or giving more margin for the account to trade. So this is very good. This is very clean trading. Actually, this is the model that made me 147% ROI from 2021 to 2024. It's amazing results. Like, it's even better live trading than the results that backtesting shows. So this is very important data. Let's break down what I have currently. I was testing my EA in two modes. I have two new versions besides the original one. So pretty much what I did was to test in all these ranges, mainly the green ones, and the full range divided into sectors of 10 years will be 2004 to 2014 and 2014 to 2024. And as you can see, there's a big difference between the mode 2 and mode 1 of my EA. One mainly focusing in trading and the other one in investing. They have a big difference in the not only in the execution but in the closing. And also compared to my B1 and B2 model, these two have a different approach to the market. I think this has a very big potential because in many ranges they give the same results, we could say, but long term this one is better because, as you can see, I'm closing better profit, or it's closing better compared to the drawdown that it stays flat and the same. So the sum of everything gives 21 and the average 1.77. It's also better than all the previous models that I was testing and showing in the previous videos. So it's going very good. As you can see, this is not what I want. This is nothing compared to the original models. As you can see, this is different type of trading. This is more kind of swing trading. And here I'm not gonna show you, this is only a small range. This is 2021 month, and still I need a lot of progress with these set files, but we have at least in 10 years our biggest drawdown was 77, almost 78% drawdown, so versus 300% profit. So very clean, but not yet what I want. I can do way better with these new modes. So the idea is this is the base. This is something that works long term. It's not very clean. Let me check. No, I don't think that I have currently a picture of the full range, but I'm gonna start testing so you can check how it goes, and let's go, let's roll.